guys, and welcome back to Easy Nails. Today I'm back for the Halloween Spotlight Collab Challenge. This week I am the Spotlight Queen, as well as Hey You Amanda. She is amazing. She does super pretty nails, so I highly recommend you guys go check out her channel. I will talk about her more in this video, but in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how I apply gelx dupe nails from AliExpress and how I apply them with polygel. So first of all, you want to make sure that you take a primer and you etch the surface of those gelx dupe nails. These are from AliExpress, and excuse me, I use Young Nails Protein Bond to just etch the surface. This kind of melts the first layer of gel on the nails and helps it adhere better to your own nail. So after I did that, I'm going in right into the gelx dupe nails, and I'm going in with a really small amount of polygel. This polygel is from modelones. I'm going in with this brush here and I'm patting it just so that it will fit around the area of my nail bed. I find that this is a really easy way to apply gelx dupe nails, to apply the polygel, because this way you can apply more than one nail at a time without having to flash cure or hold your nail until you cure it, because the polygel holds better onto the nail than just gel. So I'm doing this to all the nails. I filled them in with polygel to about the length of my nail, and then now I'm going to apply them onto my nails. My nails are prepped and primed, and I dehydrated them and applied another layer of protein bond to my nail. And then you guys can see I'm applying pressure kind of at an angular motion. I start angling these from my cuticle area and then push back to the free edge. So you're kind of a rocking motion, starting at your cuticle area and then slowly rock it back onto the nail, and you're going to feel like a suction feeling, and that is the feeling of the polygel adhering onto your nail. And what I love about this, what I went to go do right now, is I went to go grab some rubbing alcohol and that brush that we used before, and you can go around the edges, so it helps with cleanup time. You have time to clean around those edges instead of having to worry about gel that came out and having to file it after. When you use gelx nails with polygel, you have time to clean around that cuticle area, and I don't have to flash cure. So I highly recommend this. You can see I'm rocking it from the cuticle area towards the free edge. Once I hit that free edge, I stop, and you are going to feel like a suction feeling. That is the polygel adhering to the nail. Now you can also put a base coat on your nail as well to further help with adhesion. But here you guys can see what I'm saying. So like, you have a time to clean out any spillage that happened in your cuticle area before you cure. So it's going to save you tons of time in having to file around that cuticle area afterwards. So I really love doing the gelx dupe nails with polygel. I think it's so much easier. So for our design today, I'm going in with this black gel polish. This is from Beetles, and I'm applying a nice thin layer to all of the nails. I ended up doing 2 coats with gel polish. You want to make sure that you are applying thin coats, and then you can do as many layers as you want, curing in between. But if the layers are thin, it's going to help solve any issues that you have with gel polish, from peeling to wrinkling. So you want to make sure you're applying those layers really thin, and I'm curing these in between the layers in my UV LED lamp. And the design for today, you guys, is black cats. So I absolutely love cats and black cats. So I'm going to show you guys how to do a really easy and fun black cat nail art design. Yeah, super easy nail art design to do on short and long nails. I'm going to be burnishing in some glitter into the nail, and then we're going to be adding some flakes into the nail, into the inhibition layer of the gel. So I'm going to show you guys how to do that here in just a second. What I'm going to do is I'm painting on my second layer of gel here. Again, this is the Beetles gel polish, and we are using gelx dupe nails. These are full cover gel nails from AliExpress. And I did not put on top coat onto these. I'm going to burnish them. When you're burnishing glitter, you can burnish it into that inhibition layer that you have after you cure your gel polish before you put on your top coat. So I'm taking this brush here and I am placing it into the bag of glitter. This one is a chameleon glitter from Glitter Planet UK. And I am just rubbing it into the nail. And that is going to create an effect. It's going to make the glitters lie much flatter against your nail, and it's a really easy way to get a glitter nail without having to encapsulate it. So I think this is a super easy nail design. You don't have to encapsulate the glitter. If you just burnish it into the nail like that, it lies flat. You can top coat it and you're good to go. So here I'm going in with these flakes. These I got off AliExpress. Tons of nail art from AliExpress in this video, and I'm doing the same thing. So these flakes go into that inhibition layer of gel so easy. They lie really flat on the nail, so you don't have to worry about anything sticking up or sticking out or poking you. If you just rub it into the nail with a brush, that will burnish it into the nail. Again, you do not want to wipe that sticky layer off of the gel polish. That's basically what this glitter is sticking to, and you want to rub it into the nail, and then that way you can just top coat and you are good to go. So now I'm going to do the black cat design. So I'm using white gel polish from Beetles. I'm using this dotting tool. Any dotting tool will do, and I am starting off with a circle, and then I'm going to start off with a smaller circle right underneath it and connect the two, kind of like you're making a snowman. And then I'm going to take this liner brush, and here I'm going in, and from that bottom circle, the smaller one, you want to kind of pull the gel from there to make two little ears, so two little triangles, and then I'm pulling the gel in a line and twirling it at the end to make the tail of the cat. So super easy nail art design. Again, going in with one large white circle, then I'm going to go in with a smaller right circle attached to it. Then I'm going to take my liner brush and I'm going to pull from the smaller circle to make two triangles, one on each side for the ears. And then after that, I'm going to pull from the bigger circle one line in the corner and twirl it on top to make the tail. So this is super easy black cat nail art design. Again, these are over gelx dupe nails from AliExpress. Super affordable nail art here, you guys. Yeah, super easy to do. And again, we did burnish in that glitter, so you don't have to worry about encapsulating with gel or anything. That glitter is lying really flat into the nail, so nothing is going to stick out or anything. So I'm doing another cat design here on the pinky, again making those ears and then the tail. And then after I do this, I will cure the nails again in the UV LED lamp. And then I'm going to top coat them. I believe I used Amy Lino wipe top coat in these. And yeah, that is it. I really enjoyed these nails, you guys. Please go check out Hey You Amanda. I will link her things in the description box below. Alright, you guys, so top coated. These nails are super pretty. I love the chameleon glitter and those little flakes in there, as well as the super cute black cats. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. These were gelx dupe nails with some really easy affordable nail art, and this was for the Halloween Spotlight Collab Challenge. Again, please go check out our Spotlight Queen, Hey You Amanda. She's totally awesome. She creates really pretty and girly nails. I highly recommend you guys go check out her channel if you haven't already. I will link it down below, as well as all of the people participating in this challenge, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for supporting, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.